Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to lock and hide WhatsApp chat on iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on WhatsApp app. Okay, then all person, then tap on someone, just click and press, tap on lock chat, just click, tap on continue and face ID, then this person is hide and lock it, just tap on lock it chat and face ID. Okay, just click, press on this person, click on unlock chat, just click unlock, then done. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.